Good morning, everyone. I have conducted this seminar to develop a more harmonious relationship here in our company and to have a pleasant working surrounding. So, let's start with the common problem encountered here. First is the miscommunication. Always try to send message or command clearly so that the work will be done correctly.
But how about you've said it clear, but still they didn't understand?
Then say it twice to make it more clear. Practice that, repeating the task twice. Next is the personal problem and attitude problem. Leave your own problem at home and focus at work when you're in the company. So it wouldn't affect how you talk with your office mates. Because if you mix work with problems, it would lead to failure of tasks and misunderstandings. And lastly, do not be bossy and do not pass your responsibilities to others.
Even if you're the boss?
Delegate the task in a good manner.
How about passing off responsibilities because of fully loaded work?
Then ask for help. That would be a better way. If you just tell to someone to do this or do that, that would be so improper. And if possible, do your work on time to avoid fully loaded tasks. And for the heads, be a leader, not a boss.
Conflict is inevitable, but there are many ways to lessen it. Watch your own attitudes and keep the proper behavior and everything will get better. So I guess this would help resolve the problem here in our company and achieve a better relationship to all the people working here. Thank you.
Ayun, ano.
Yay!